Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning. It's Saturday. Feeling good. I'm legit feel tired right now. My back is killing me, but I'm going to the gym. Took me like a good half an hour just to get out of bed. So yeah, I'm going to the gym with my friend Miner right now. I'm meeting him over there. Since I'm in the search of for a new gym, I guess he invited me to try his gym out, see if I like it. Doesn't hurt. So getting dressed right now to go meet him. I'm gonna have some quick oatmeal, some quick breakfast real quick, and then I'm gonna head out. So yeah, see you later. Alright, so I didn't record when I first got here because we took pre-workout and my face is itching now. But look at mine. Woo, my man working hard. Going ham. Ooh, he's screaming. Está gritando. Come on, man, you can do it. Nice. I'm about to do them curls. This gym is semi-empty too, which is good. Empty gym, good workouts. How you feel, Miner? Tired, huh? He's tired. But he don't care, he keeps going. Ooh, I'm dead too. This is gonna be like our fourth set. On my second set, I was dying. My face is itching, my ears are itching. Oh god, it's my turn. It's my turn. Perfect. So this little cocky monkey think he nice. I've never worked out with him before. My man go hard. He does not care. He tiny, but he got muscles. He got veins coming out his arms, his forehead. I'm over here dead right now. Probably because I worked out yesterday, but I'm dead. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do a full body today because we have like 2 hours. I'm dying right now. Just because my back hurts. You good, bro? He's tired. Look at him. He's red. I'm gonna die. It's gonna be my turn. Yo, come on, let's go.
Levántalo, después yo lo coloco bien.
It says, if you're strong enough to pick up your weights, you're strong enough to put them back. That's very true. Pet peeve, lazy people that don't re-rack. Like this dude over here. Lazy. He lazy. You lazy, yo. Hurry up.
wasting my time of my gains. Woo. 25. Come on, man. We're not gonna record all our workouts. We're not recording all our workouts only because they'll impede us from actually working out. So we're doing some of them. I'm not trying to make this a long vlog as well. It's just a little bit of our workouts. You know, rocking that barbell brigade. Dominic Humbly. We've been here. Minor. Yo. Minor. How long? How long we been here? Like an hour? Almost an hour, so we're trying to be here like at least 2 hours. There's still an empty gym, so you know, we keep going. We keep going.
Let's go.
Pro tip, grab it from the top, not the actual middle when you're doing this.
Let's go. Yes.
That's a good friend. He grabs my ankles. He knows how to maneuver the camera. What is it? Like, this is 30?
Yep. We got that. Let's go.
I learned this from The Rock. It's called the 777.
Let's go.
That hurts. Like, he's tired. I'm tired. Legit. My body hurts. Yeah, my arms hurt. And we're trying to do pull-ups right now. I'm like dead. Come on, Minder. You wanna go? Go. I wanna see you. Go ahead. I'm still trying to get used to this camera, so. Man, he's strong, yo. For a little guy, my man's strong as hell. I can't do wide like he does. I can only do closer. I'm trying to do wide. I don't want to do wide. I can't. I can't do it now. So after him, I'll go. He'll take over. Nice. All right, take over.
I got this shit. Let's go, Arnold. You got that shit.
Tired. I got guns. Yeah, we're sweating off like crazy right now. We did right after the pull-ups we did, we ended up doing a couple back workouts, and now we're down here doing deadlifts. This dummy head didn't tell me we were gonna do deadlifts. I would have brought my belt. Somebody doing deadlifts with no belt. So if I break my back, it's his fault. So he got strapped, he ready to go. Cause he think he gonna outwork me out. But he lying. Look, chicken. Yeah, he's scared. He can't even do it right now. Yeah, he's chicken. He can't do it right now. Come on, man. Look. Cocky man. He's in 2 plates 45. Ooh. Don't let it fall. Keep it up. You let it bounce, doesn't count. See? He's not controlling, that's why. Nah, he doesn't get it. Normally, I don't like slamming it. Yeah. I'm shaking because I'm like, my legs hurt, my back hurts. Nice. How many? 5? 6? Okay. I'm about to go up. I already did one 45. I'll do another 45 to warm up, and then I'll do the double plates. Right now, I'm tired. We've been in for like 2 hours, and it's empty too, so it's even better for me. Normally it's not my gym, but I like it. You guys are gonna see me do a warm-up right now. Look at this delicious food, yo. It's grilled chicken, but I didn't think it was gonna be this big. Look at mine too. He eating, he hungry. Got like little avocado toast. And this is big. I'm gonna take some home too, eat it later. The salad, the rice, this arepa. Then I got a little batido de mora, so like blackberry smoothie. Woo. Hey guys, and we're back. Sorry for the abrupt ending from the meal that I was having with my friend Miner, and then before that from the gym. We were just like dead, and I didn't feel like doing an ending scene or something like that. But I'm home. I already took a shower. I'm about to have my protein and maybe either go to sleep or just watch a couple movies because it's too hot to be outside. It's like 90 something degrees. So I definitely don't want to be out there. So yeah, I'm in my house already. But thank you for watching. I know this is a tech channel, but going to the gym is something I really enjoy. So from time to time I'll be putting, I don't know, maybe workout videos or me just going to the gym with a couple friends, and yeah, that's it. I like it either way. But thank you for watching. If anything, please support the channel. Subscribe if you still haven't. And I'll be here doing what I like to do. Thank you very much for watching, and take care. Peace.